Welcome to Funded.now, the ultimate hub for futures prop traders. On Funded.now, you can compare prop firms side by side, account to account, firm to firm, with powerful filters that help you find the exact account that fits your strategy. Trade micros? Hate consistency rules? Want EOD drawdown? Just set the filters and find your perfect match in seconds. You can also use built-in tools like the consistency rule calculator, lot size calculator, and drawdown simulator to plan before you risk real capital. Check which prop firms are available in your country, track your trading expenses, and stay updated with the economic calendar. All in one place. Stop guessing. Start choosing smart. Go to Funded.now and find the prop firm that fits you.
Hello guys, good morning everyone. Happy Friday. Finally it's Friday. Okay. Good morning guys. Okay. Okay guys, how are you today? I traded yesterday oil. I shorted oil yesterday in PM session. Not PM, Asia. I shorted oil from here. No, I'm lying, it was early. It was from... Damn. Where I shorted? It was right here, over here. I shorted from here. Yes, exactly. Completely forgot. So I already made my daily PNL, like daily target, my base hit, which is good. But still looking for another trade. Here's my trade. It was at 9.7. Yeah, from here, exactly. I made a bit more than $500 on this trade. Nice trade. I used 1 minute. I normally don't trade 1 minute chart, but I saw we had a 30-minute sweep, 3-minute OB, and I was looking for entry based on fair value gap on 1 minute chart. So price retraced to this fair value gap. I entered pretty much at the top of this week. Stop loss was 50% of this order block. Target was basically liquidity level here, but I closed at body here, over here, at this body. And that's it. I traded yesterday. But once again, still looking for the trade, but I'm already green on my accounts. Alright, let's see. Let's do top-down analysis, guys. Let's do top-down analysis. What level we were aiming for yesterday on oil? Alright. Hello. Don't forget to click the like. Yes. It's Friday. Hard week. Today is going to be a really hard day, guys. Listen my schedule for today. I'm going to stream IM session here. I'm going to stream until 1 PM on Ninja Trader Live. And then I'm going to stream Tradify TV today until like 3. Like, I'm going to be on YouTube all day today. From market open to close. Like, it's crazy. But I'm going to stream all sessions today. That's wild. AM session, lunch, PM session. So guys, we're going to kill today because we're going to trade all sessions. I passed 1 alpha evaluation, so I have 3 more. Should we pass today? Yeah, I had breakfast. Should we pass as rest today, guys? Raise your hand if you want to see if we're passing another account. 3 accounts today. 3 more accounts. Because I passed only 1. Asia session, not going to work today. It's Friday. But yeah, let's pass about today. So I have 4 alpha accounts. Initially, I got just 1. And this account had more balance. That's why I passed this faster. And 3 more, like it's like 300 something bucks away. And we will trade E8 futures today. Okay, all right. We have nice daily volume balance here, basically new day opening gap, right? Yeah. We have daily sweep. I'm going to switch right now on 1 hour chart and see if we have confirmation of the sweep. So guys, who knows? Like type in the chat the answer. What we need to have to confirm daily sweep? What can confirm daily sweep? Not only on oil, like overall. What can confirm daily sweep? What should I use? Yes, hourly change in the state of delivery. Exactly right. Exactly right. That's the right answer. So let's try to find hourly change in the state of delivery. At this point, it's really hard to find something. Yeah, good job, guys. Good job. Proud of you. Oh, God. Where's hourly change in the state of... I'm probably going to... Well, guys, next question. Which candle would you use for change in the state of delivery? Like, this one. Maybe you would use this one. Like, let me duplicate this. 2. Stop lagging, please. Or would you use this one? Which candle would you use for changing the state of delivery? 1, 2, 3. One, 2. Honestly, I would use probably 3 because this up close candle created high. So basically, the high of this candle higher than this, like 1 and 2. Probably, I would personally use third one because this candle once again made high, while this one's still lower. So that's going to be probably OB for me, right? So yes, we have confirmation of, it's my opinion, I guess, about this, right? Higher than these 2 up close candles. Probably makes sense to use this one, right? But once again, this candle was formed after sweep. So at the same time, it's kind of like, like so-so, right? So I would say it's really hard right now to pick the right order block. But yeah, even if I want to use this one, it's like probably okay. We already, like, it doesn't really matter. It's still same structure here. So we have confirmation of daily sweep. So what we want to see, because I don't mind to trade oil today. Maybe we're going to sweep nearest high over here at 95, right? And can it offer rejection back down to sell side, near sell side liquidity? At this point, it can make first stage of market maker sell model. So we will see sweep right here. And we can short the sweep on 5-minute chart. So probably I would be interested in a reaction from this high. And hourly change in the state, not change in the state, hourly sweep. And 5-minute change in the state of delivery. Maybe I could be interested in this one to aim for these lows. So we're gonna see. Yeah, technically, yeah. I would say yes, you can use this one as well. Yeah, right point. Yes, you can use this one. So we will do in Q&A. Yes, guys, I just opened charts. Like, just opened charts. Hey, Basha. So don't know yet. We didn't. I didn't check EOS and NQ today yet. That's for oil. Probably, if it's going to take this high, will offer hourly sweep 5-minute change in the state of delivery. I will try to short. Partial will be at this fair value gap since it's. Oh, it's actually. No, never mind. It's not going to be partial. We already balanced this fair value gap. Final TP will be here, and that's it. But I don't want to see higher than this high, to be honest, for this. So what I'm watching, once again, I'm watching sweep of this high, hourly sweep, 5-minute order block. May try this short. Let's do gold. I kind of feel like I'm kind of off this week. Really hard to figure out the bias. I believe because it's pretty much consolidation on high time frame everywhere, and I'm kind of lost already in this like in this market, like trying to figure out the bias. I'm like, I don't know. Like seriously, I don't know. For example, for gold, we still trade inside previous weekly range, and I'm not going to lie, gold this week was hard for me, and I guess it makes sense simply because what is going on here. ugly consolidation. Okay, let me see what I would like to see today. I'm still holding this low. Damn, that's hard. I see nothing on daily chart. Like, okay, obviously we're going to 51.27. It doesn't like it's obvious, right? We're going to 51.27 now. Like, no questions it will take this level, but it's like 10 points away, so we need to find something to trade. So we have for our propulsion block. So gold going to 51.27, 101%. But what else? Oh, makes sense. Come on, Dasha. I know it's Friday, but please. Here's for our propulsion block. So probably I would like to see this as top of, like, high of the day probably is going to be at for our propulsion block. So I just don't see higher than 51.60 today. So probably if I will enter long, I hope it's going to retrace for me so I can aim for 51.27, 51.60 for my runner. We have Ireland tapped for a value gap as well. Over here. Well, maybe... What do you think about this, guys? We'll check in queue soon. Give me like a couple of minutes. Looks good, I agree with you. We kind of stuck at New York midnight open, but yeah, Asia high seems like absolutely obvious target. You said early change in the state of delivery? Can you give me the price? Gold going back to better change in the state of... You talking about this one? At 51.90? Fine, 15 minutes. I would say right now we're at New York midnight open. So I would probably partial at 51.27. I hope it's going to retrace to early for a value gap. And I would left runner to 51.59. It's probably could be my idea. Please, I want to trade gold today. Come on, gold. Don't be shy, just offer textbook setup, we will take it and we'll enjoy our Friday. That's it. Yeah, if you like don't feel comfortable to trade, like don't even try to chase the price. Yeah, sounds like a plan. Let's see. Here's the ES and NQ, guys. So yesterday, actually today, ES dropped to, it was trying to take 50% of daily week, failed, but at the same time, it's a good sign of bullishness, right? At this point, like probably it makes sense to continue going higher. Higher. I'm saying like higher, but like I would like to see like V-shaped reversal. No, like retrace today. So right now we're at weekly open, both ES and NQ staying above this level. Right? What else? Maybe 67.60 today. Minor sip of liquidity level. Which will be transition, not transition, going to be second stage of market maker sell model on medium time frame. We have some news? Okay, good to know. Yeah, then we have, we have like trade folder news. So, wild market, but probably I will wait for sweep of these highs first. If it's going to sweep and offer the action, it's going to be second stage of market maker sell model. What else can I see here? Oh, pretty similar picture as we have on gold, seems like. Here's our untapped for a value gap, exactly the same as we have on gold, and on NQ is exactly the same picture. It's interesting actually. Maybe I want to see retracement down to long and short right after this, like after we hit liquidity level. Once again, kind of hard to say for now, but maybe this one. I will try to stay away from predicting direction today because it's really hard. Probably this one. And maybe this one. Now Michael is going to say, like, Dasha, be careful again, and it's going to be straight down at the open. Remember yesterday, I clearly said, like, every single time when Michael says, be careful, I take a loss. Like, it's not coincidence, guys. It happens always. Always. Damn, that's funny. Oh, that's good. That's funny. Alright, we have some plans, guys, for today. Now we need to wait for one of them to play out to trade. This is how, guys, you trade. Like, you prepare and plan for different markets. Keep your eyes on this market. And for example, if model presented not on yes, but let's say on Euro futures, for example, take it. Say it before he comes. Also, I watched video, I guess it was on YouTube a couple of days ago, and I believe it was woman, not man. I believe it was woman, and she said, like, if you professional traders, you just need to stick to one instrument because beginners keep jumping between markets. In my humble opinion, it's completely wrong. If your model works, it's going to work everywhere. Because, for example, okay, on NQ my model wasn't present today, but on gold and or oil it was there. Trade it. What's wrong with this? And I was kind of like sad to see this because that woman has lots of followers, and she said, like, professional traders stick to one instrument, but beginners keep jumping between different markets. And UFG means untapped fair value gap. We didn't tap this fair value gap yet. Yeah, I mean, just I don't understand this. No, it was video about, like, which advice would you give to like to trader, like something like to beginner or something like this. I don't remember, but in my opinion, it's wrong. Just my opinion about this. Well, they definitely lead to more losses, but once again, if I will show you chart which you never ever trade, for example, I will hide like symbol, time frame, and I will ask where market is going, and most likely you will tell me. And you will not care if it's going to be yes or like it's going to just random like instrument, you will tell me. Or you will tell me, like, I know, like, why on YM my model doesn't work, but I will show you YM and you will tell me, like, market is going here because I see my model here. Everything is here, guys. Because if I'm going to hide this instrument, which you traded like, let's say for 10 years, and I will ask you where it's going, for example, you can say, I don't know. I need to know instrument to know. I need to know time frame. Like, you don't need to know this. Why? Hello, hello. I would like to send up for value gap first. One good trade. I will do my best. What I'm trying to say, guys, like, do pre-market like analysis for any instrument like you like to trade. For example, let's say oil, Euro futures, gold, like YM, maybe like RTY. Just put this on another screen and see if your idea is here and just trade it. You don't need to jump like every single second to like this. Okay, maybe here, maybe here. No, don't do this. All you need to do is just prepare analysis and see maybe it's going to play out here. Maybe no. Oh, what's wrong with... Oh, what is this? I didn't pass a val yesterday. No, I just passed one alpha this week. Ow. And that's it. Talking about E8 futures evaluation, which I started yesterday. And only yesterday. Let's see what I have. That's all I have, guys. Let me share to show you. We took loss yesterday and I took winner right after this. It's 150k account. I started yesterday. I took a loss on Q. It was 450 bucks, something blah blah blah. And I took another trade on ES right after this. So right now I'm down like 80 bucks. It's fine. We will continue trading this account today. I just started trading with this E8 prop firm. Account overview. Also, I have another one brand new account, but 81. My bad. It's horrible. My bad. Oh my god, that's funny. But yeah, guys, let's continue trading this eval today as well. I kind of want to pass this E8 futures because I see lots of people like keep talking about this prop firm, and I need to have eval to try them. Hey Bella, good morning, how are you? But on this eval, only 2 trades, and I'm down $81. We will continue trading, let's see. I have 2 evaluations, 2 150k E8 future signature evaluation accounts. Because they still running 50% off. And I was like, worth to try. I'm talking about E8 futures, which I started trading yesterday. Futures. Type 1 in the chat if you want to try them. I will do giveaway of this prop firm. Type 1 in the chat if you want to try, and we can do giveaway of this account. 2 if you don't want to try, but honestly, I read reviews about them. They're good. They have 50% off, that's why I got accounts. On both evaluation, I connected for now Alpha Futures and E8 Futures, but I'm okay to connect funded accounts. But once again, if it's going to be like good setup, we will take this on both. If it's going to be like so, but we need to have like trading day, we will take on evaluations. I will let you know if it's going to be evaluations or funded. If it's really worth to copy, but once again, I don't like when you copy my trades, but I will let you know if it's going to be well, so you can think twice. Okay? Straight to funded account. You know, Lucy did it, Tradify straight to funded, they're pretty much the same, as well as price is the same. So you can, I personally trade, I have Tradify Lightning funded accounts, 150k, which I like. But I always say, like, don't waste money on Lightning funded straight to funded accounts. I would try to buy Tradify Select evaluation and Lucid Flex. I would try to pass them and trade. It's not worth it to buy straight to funded. Alright, did not retrace to R untapped fair value gap. Over here, it's my area where I would like to see retracement. Too short. But we will see, we will see. Hello guys, good morning. Yeah, I can copy trade. I didn't copy yesterday, so I just wanted to see how it goes, like if it's okay, if I can execute, blah blah blah, but I will copy today. How can you manage all accounts? Explain. I use copier, that's it. Okay guys, market is open. Nice gap we have on, let me delete all level over here. That's actually wild. Gaps, like last 2 days. I mean, no, oops, no complaints, but still. Would like to see higher to short, that's plan. Tomorrow backtest session. So my plan is to contact TradeZella first. Maybe we can run giveaways during this backtest session, because for now I have a couple of accounts to give away, but it's like not a lot. So I'm thinking I need to contact TradeZella to ask about like big giveaway, if they don't mind to do this. And if so, I just believe it's going to be like interesting at this point, right? So I'm going to contact today. If he's going to reply me today, we will do tomorrow. But if not, then I will do like probably next week. I think it's good, right? Take partials because it's fun, you know, like it's prop firm accounts. Lots of rules. Some intraday trading Jordan. I will try to lock some profit and walk away. So I will be like one step closer to payout. Normally, when I trade my personal account, I never take partials. But when it's props, I guess it's smart to do this. Most prop firms have consistency rule, but for example, Lucid, Flex, evaluation does not have consistency rule on funded, but has consistency rule on evaluation. Tradify Select does not have consistency rule on funded accounts, but has, I believe, consistency rule on evaluation. Yes. So you can try Tradify Select. On evaluation, you're going to have consistency, but no on funded. You can try Lucid Flex. On evaluation, you're going to have consistency, but not on funded. Worth to try. Right? So I'm going to stay right now on SPX. Today, no rush day. I already made 500 likes in my accounts today, so because I was shorting oil last night. It was at 7 p.m., 7:30 p.m. yesterday. By the way, Apex sale ends tonight. If you want to try Apex, you can get up to 20 accounts. 85% off ends tonight. Just for your information. You can pick end of the day drawdown, you can pick intraday challenge drawdown, up to 20 accounts. Good. Worth to try, worth to try. Kind of choppy opening, it's fine, we're gonna wait more. Activation fee for intraday challenge with intraday challenge drawdown on Epic is going to be $75. But for end of the day drawdown, activation fee going to be $99. If you want to get account for less than $30, you can use my code Lumia if you want to support the channel as well. I will appreciate this, guys. And Q gonna drop. I need drop to this already untapped for a value gap. I trade with Epic's 20 accounts, like, what's wrong with them? Like, share with me. I did not fully recover loss. I ended up being down $200 or something. And I traded to, like, this account right now down $81. But yesterday it was $460. Something. New rule, yes. What's wrong with them? Ooh, look at that. They either going to close your account and you need to start again, or you're going to move to live account. But at the same time, like, what percentage of people take 6 payouts? Like, let's take 100 traders. How many of these 100 traders going to go to 6 payouts? Like, also at the same time, lots of concern about this. But yeah, you're right. With my Apex accounts, old ones that I passed like in September, I didn't get 6 payouts yet. Not going to lie. Such a nice drop here, I like it. Let's see what kind of reaction we're going to get here from this early untapped fair value gap. So far so good, you know? I never had a single issue with Epics as well. Lots of complaints, but I never ever broke a single rule. That's why I don't have complaints. I was recommending Epics because very first prop firm that I started trading with was Epics. And only 2 years later I became affiliate, but 2 years before I always recommended Epics because I didn't have a single issue with them. Alright, guys. Ow. What's wrong with my food? Yeah, once again, if you don't like something, you can try something else. I always keep saying this. Something that works for me will not work for you, right? Some people enjoy trading, let's say, with alpha futures. Some people hate to trade with alpha futures. We have options right now. Pick that works for you, right? Oh, damn, are you kidding me? Not fun how it's... I don't like how in Q failed to take this. Oh my god, that's interesting, but at the same time, that's annoying. With Funded Futures Network? That's an interesting question. Let me... By the way, thank you for using the my code, but I'm going to figure this out. Let me take a screenshot. We have news at 10, that's right. Talking about Apex, I still have legacy plan, guys. Like old one. I didn't try new plans yet. I'm gonna wait more. I don't like anything yet. Waiting for the action on gold from hourly fair value gap. When I blow accounts, it's set. I blew 10 accounts this year. It was like 1 month ago. So far, 10 greens. I was disappointed because like my fault was I was like, I need to trade silver. Like I see setups there, and 2 days in a row I was taking like daily loss limit, and eventually I blew accounts. Sometimes it's sad, especially when like I followed my rule, but at the same time it was just like no, I didn't have a single reason to trade silver, but I did. It was painful. I was disappointed in myself. My idea was I would like to see move towards the Ireland tapped fair value gap, a reaction up, and then short. So basically I wanted to long from Ireland tapped fair value gap. Let's say in Q traded into Ireland untapped fair value gap. It has failed. I could take this long as well. It's like nice SMT for me. I'm gonna wait because nothing yet for me. So far, guys, I'm up $500 on my fund account, which my base hit because I cannot say I was lucky because it actually was based on model. At 7:30 p.m. yesterday, I shorted gold. I shorted gold from, not gold, oil, from here, and I got moved down. I got like almost $1 move, I guess. And I was in Jordan like 20 cents, I believe. Yeah, we'll trade gold, nothing yet for me. Because so far we have nice reaction from our untapped fair value gap. It's already not untapped. It's already just regular fair value gap, but this reaction not confirmed yet. Just, yeah, nice week, but nothing else. Okay. Alright, guys. Going up, but once again, for move higher, I would like to see 67.60. We have SMT right now, but once again, I could be perfectly fine with long with this SMT if in Q let's just went 10 points lower. Just 10 points lower, it's not that hard. Just 10 points. Nothing else. Okay. Yes, SPX needs to touch this level. That's why I'm aiming for liquidity level on... I want to aim for ES liquidity level. I'm okay to wait. It's fine. Not a problem for me at all. Yeah, normally about 25% of RTH gap we have either buy or sell sentiment. It's typical picture. Yeah, news in 15 minutes. Yeah. Let's see if it's going to be fair value gap. I don't know, but we will see. If it's going to be fair value gap, once again, I don't know, but we will see. Would like to get this one. If it's going to be a fair value gap, once again. Partial will be here, just for information. Seems like we don't have 3-minute order block, right? Are you happy? I'm always happy. How big range? 16 points? Okay. No, I took during Asia trade. During Asia I shorted oil. That's it. That's all I took for the last 12 hours. 24 hours. Okay, not 20, 12 hours. Because yesterday I took 2 trades. Last one NQ and I shorted ES at 3 p.m. and got win. So basically partially recovered my loss from a morning. It's okay. What about oil? By the way, nothing? Okay. Nothing. Yet. I'm on this 150k account, E8 futures, I'm down $81 so far. We'll try to find something else to trade. You got the closure. I would like to see 10 points higher. I would like to see to move towards the Asia high. If I'm going to trade 2 micros, my risk is going to be $300. It's okay, I guess. Would like to continue trading E8 futures, guys. We traded into this fair value gap. Let's see, I may look for not short. If it's going to respect fair value gap, I will try this. This one. So 5 will plan to copy 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 accounts, Alpha futures and E8 futures. That's my plan. Because I made $500 on my funded accounts, so I'm kind of not interested in trading them unless it's like textbook, like A+++ millions plus a setup. At this point, yeah, I will take it, but for now, probably will stay with this evals. I need $300 to pass alpha futures, and I need like a lot to pass E8. I need $9,000 to pass E8 futures. Okay. Oi. Okay. If it's going to respect for a while gap, I might give it a try. If not, then I will not give it a try. Simple. SPX still has room to go slightly higher because it left 25% of RTH gap. Oil. My favorite oil. On oil, I would like to see if we're going to this high first. This price action only deserve yeah, maybe, like, you know, on Friday, like, last thing I want to do is just take a red trade on my funded accounts, especially after winning trade. Maybe evaluation today, if it's really going to be garbage. This is the beauty of evaluations, when you see a shit price action and you want to trade something, like, evaluation is a great option for this. But if it's going to be like A+++ setup, I will take on funded, I don't really care. I will be just okay with this. Yes, shorts possible. You think so? I feel like we need to pump slightly higher first. Full port in Q? Or maybe I will full port yes, but not in Q. Oops. Ah, damn, come on. Good morning, good morning. Clean my glasses because it's impossible to see anything. Way better. Ooh, my god. Okay, guys, news in 6 minutes. Gold overall inside consolidation. I would say it's hard to call this bearish or bullish. I would like to see just slightly higher on. I would like to see minor buy side and Asia high taken, nothing else, because I cannot see like big move higher or lower. Like seriously. I wouldn't mind to scalp probably gold to minor buy side here. So far, kind of stuck aside this fair value gap. If it's going to respect fair value gap, I might try long, but not fun of this price action for now. Like, I was looking for Asia high. I'm still looking, but not on trade yet. If it's going to displace of this fair value gap, I'm okay to try, like, scalp. If it's going to just displace below this fair value gap, I will just try to stay away. We'll stick just to ES and NQ. Going to wait for 10 to trade silver bullet. Sorry, guys. Woohoo! Good job. Yeah, basically continuation step. 96. Yeah, technically possible we have equal lows there. It's quite choppy right now. No, I didn't trade yet. Okay, quite choppy right now. Not fun, not fun. Windward treatment for value gap. We got sweep. Let me collide the sweep. So at this point, we don't have, since it's already changed in the state of delivery, we don't have 5-minute smart money reversal. So I don't like that it failed at the offer change in the state of, it's probably not a reversal yet. Nice equal lows. Yeah, you're right about 96. News at 10. Yeah. News in 2 minutes, guys. Look at this low resistance to downside. Wild. Yeah, equal lows here. Yeah. It's 88. Like, we don't have, I believe we don't have low the week yet, Low of the week is going to be based on Sunday low, I believe. So I have TJF indicator, but it's not activated yet, I would say. Because on daily chart, it counts this Sunday low as Monday low. Bullish, I would call it a little bit differently. Not bullish, but something like similar, but a little bit different. So far. This is what we have. Didn't touch equal lows. Wow. Okay. It's 10. Oh, guys, nothing yet. Nothing yet. Let me check micro gold. Micro gold also didn't tap this level. Click the like, guys. I hope it's going to be funny, but good green Friday for us. What is going on ES? Let me highlight, I don't know, maybe OT. We inside 50%. We just touched 50%. I'm flat as well. I know, not fun. Don't like it. It's quite sharpy for me. How many points stop loss? 12 points. Looks ugly. 12 points, $200. I see the setup right now, guys. Not quite sure in this yet. Okay, let's see, guys. We broke below OT. I'm watching if it's going to retrace and continue going towards the statement flat candle, which I may try at least. Nothing yet on ES. Sorry, guys, I was focused because I was trying to figure out if I'm right with this trade idea. I would like to see oil still higher. I would like to see 95 retest. I like the statement flat candle vision lines up with New York midnight open. Oh yeah, we will see. I'm not on trade, just for information. No. So far I'm just watching. I don't have limit orders. No, I'm just watching right now. I'm gonna get to use market order. So far, yes, I connected evaluation. You know, it's funny because lots of people, like everyone anticipated drop, like last 3 weeks, 4 weeks, and everyone wanted to short every single day. In reality, market was going higher all these times. And once everyone like gave up, said like whatever, I'm not going to short anymore. It decided like let's drop like 3% because why not? Like why not? You got your test of 10 AM open. By the way, news actually did nothing. We're waiting for silver bullet, right? I told you guys, like yesterday, I'm really confused with bias this week. On indices, on metals, really confusing. In my opinion, it looks confusing. Yeah, if you know, like you blow accounts, your funded accounts on Friday, don't trade a funded accounts, trade a vals. I guess it's smart. Good for practicing once again. I'm green on my funded accounts. I shorted oil yesterday at 7 p.m., 7:30 p.m. So, like, honestly, I didn't have a reason to trade funded in the morning. But I will trade this E8 futures account. You were trying to shorten Q towards hourly fair value gap. It's wild. I agree. You know, I kind of like how it broke below OT. At this point, usually it makes sense to continue going lower. Like, see if it broke below OT. Normally, like, this trade idea is valid. I'm watching if it's going to retrace here. Hello, Robert. How are you? I'm looking for short from 67.19 to aim for 6,700. OT settings. This one. From 60. Oh. How big is base hit? $500. No matter how big my account is, it's always $500. Right? I would like to see. Why don't I have 25%? Dasha. I deleted? Oh, no. Okay. Yeah. What a chap. Damn, that's crazy. Okay. Keep waiting. We hit New York midnight open, still would like to see slightly lower. Okay. You'd be disappointed. Good job who took this. Robert, I would like to see 6700 to test. Right now we hit New York midnight open. We're still above New York midnight open on NQ, which makes me feel like once CS breaks below New York midnight open, it will be just big down close candle on NQ now. Let me show you. See, we're above New York midnight open. We approach, like, we didn't sweep this actually, but we touch New York midnight open on ES. It should be big down close candle once NQ breaks New York midnight open. We look for another short below New York midnight open on ES. 66.92. Yeah, I mean, I agree. I would like to see 66.90 overall. What I don't like, I mean, I do like how it dropped here, but what I don't like when I'm not in this trade. That's pretty much it. Gold nothing. Still bearish since we broke below this low. Watching for equal lows and probably 89.3. So basically looking for this level and this level. Now, we didn't tap 25% of RTH gap on SPX. Maybe minor retracement and continuation. I will risk like $450 on this account. It's 150k account. My drawdown is 4,500. 4,500. I need to make 9,000. Okay, watching for another retracement to try this. Yay, Daniel, that's good. Yeah, no rush, as always. We take this easy. I started trading 150k accounts, I guess, beginning of this year or end of last year. So, decided to give myself like bigger room for drawdown, I guess, and bigger payouts, I guess. I would like to see 67.12. Robert, I agree with you. less stressful, especially if your risk pretty much similar to 50k valuations funded account. I guess it's feels like less stressful trading 150k account. Yeah, like you need to like make more to get payout, but it's okay for me. Not a problem. Okay. MGC need to take equal lows. Oh, we took this. Sell side over here as well. Like it. Nice drop here. Takes long. Yeah, I would say less stressful. Exactly right. I feel same way. I feel same way. Any reason for that? For what? Watching for another retracement, another short here to the side untapped for a value gap, or it's going to be just big down close candle right now. We already broke below New York midnight open, and Q needs to take New York midnight open as well. Hello guys. SPX hit 25%, which lined up with Timian flat candle. Damn, that's crazy. Well, second short will not be here simply because we just dropped. Yeah, I'm not fan of YM for some reason. Okay. 1019. And Q still above New York midnight open. We need to test this level. Would like to see maybe my retracement and continuation. We'll try continuation. So what I would like to see, minor break above New York midnight open, retracement maybe to 50%, continuation lower. I feel like it's not going to happen, but let's see. Still hope. It's 10:20. Give us please textbook. Sure. This one, by the way, wasn't bad, but I would like to see retracement to continue going lower. And Q still above New York midnight open. It's a good. Let's see retracement and continuation. We need to tap our fair value gap. See this? Refuse to believe it's going to right now reverse. Need a bit bigger reaction from 50% of RTH gap. But since it left our untapped fair value gap, I believe we can continue going lower soon. Once again, I'm talking about big moves. I'm talking about like obvious nearest height from levels. For example, our fair value gap, sell side liquidity level, so on. I would say on gold market, still inside previous weekly range. I wouldn't say it's like bearish or bullish. That's why I said I don't really have bias on gold. Let's see, maybe the test of measuring gap. I'm saying these words. Sometimes I'm surprised to say this. What did you trade? What happened? Why you lost your account? Oversizing. It's Friday. Unfortunately. Okay, waiting for another opportunity. We're inside silver bullet, so silver bullet should be soon here. Save image as download. Thank you. Well, guys, that's picture that just illustrates all of us. Like, that's us, guys. Right? That's all of us. Don't worry. It's been so long. That's me as well. Come on. Like, let's be honest with each other. Like, I cannot explain why, but this always happens on Friday. All accounts, I believe it was like most of them it was on Friday. That's insane. Dasha. Classic Friday, right? That's funny. Painful but funny. Yeah, I connected evaluations right now. I'm $500 green on my funded team because I shorted oil last night. I did good. I want to try to pass evaluations today. I have some, guys. That I need to pass. Oh, I'm so happy because yesterday I took a loss. So happy you passed your account. Yeah, let's try to pass. If it's not going to go well, it's okay. Just seriously, $500 up on my funded. I don't want to trade them. It's my base hit normally. But evaluations, like, let's do this. It's okay. 57. Oh, 97. I will 50k accounts, like $300. I'm going to use $450. That's my plan right now. That's funny, two similar questions at the same time. $450 is going to be my risk, so I will calculate my contract size based on this. I'm going to trade 150k accounts, E8 futures, which I got 2 days ago. I'm down $81 on this account, because I took a loss yesterday. It was $450. Then I took a short on ES at 3 p.m. I partially recovered this loss, and right now I'm down $80, $81. My bad. Trying to stay below. Let me move a little bit. Trying to stay below New York Midnight Open so far. Yeah, you can take partials. Yeah, of course. You can take partials on evals or funded or your personal account. I trade both personal and props. Yeah, I'm not in a rush. Not in a rush. Today I'm going to stream all day, like all day, and I will trade everything on stream. Just want to take this easy. Not being rush. Right, guys? When I was passing Apex evaluations, yeah, I traded mini contracts, but normally no. Trying to trade this, like, take it slow. I'm not in a rush to pass. But some of my accounts $300 away from passing, so I actually can try to do this today. Or I will try to at least start trading these new evaluations, E8 futures, guys. So I just got this prop firm 2 days ago. Really would like to see how it goes. I see lots of good reviews about this prop firm. They don't have option to get straight to funded, so I need to pass first. But it will be interesting to add them to my funded accounts. So got 2 of these accounts for now. Hope to pass this to start trading with my funded. I'm gonna trade until like 3-4 p.m. Yeah. If you want to try E8 futures as well, you can use code LUMI to get 50% off. I personally got this with this deal as well. I read lots of good reviews about this prop firms. They also offer crypto and forex, E8 futures. So also next week I will do giveaway, lots of giveaways of these accounts. So we can trade together. We can trade this together. So talking about backtest, live session backtest, we will do this. My plan right now, I'm going to contact TradeZella to ask if we can do big giveaway of their plans on this stream. So I'm going to contact right after this morning stream to see if they can provide some accounts for us. So I can give this away because it's going to be a long stream and we need lots of accounts. So I think it's going to be a great option. Because for now, I have like 2 accounts that I can give you. But 2 accounts is nothing. I would like to get more accounts. So I'm going to contact and ask if they don't want to participate in this giveaway. So what do you think? I guess it's a nice option, right? So during this backtest session live stream, we can do giveaways as well. And so on. Yeah, it will be great. I think I'm going to do this. If they're going to answer like reply today, we will do live session tomorrow. But if it's going to like reply like tomorrow or like in 2 days, we'll do next week. Maybe we'll do this after market like close. Maybe it's going to be like Tuesday 5 p.m. you know? Kind of surprised to see. We're trying to stay above New York midnight open on both yes and NQ. We didn't test New York hourly fair value gap yet. That's interesting. 100k? I would say $350 will be nice risk on evaluations. So right now we retraced to 10 a.m. open. From what I see so far, NQ looks bullish. See how it failed to test New York midnight open? It's a bullish sign. Hello, Chris. How are you? Small low digits to downside. Minor equal lows. Back to New York. Like, once again, New York midnight open needs to be taken on NQ. I truly believe in this. Cannot long this 100%. We got the closure below New York midnight open. Okay, guys, let's see. We got 2-minute inversion, we got closure below New York midnight open again. What is going on? New York midnight open. 12 a.m. open. I may actually scalp, but I will trade a Vals. One hour? Are you kidding me? Okay, scalper mode is on. We'll do scalp today only. So we test a 2-minute inversion. See, oh damn, that's crazy. And like, just tell us, can you take New York midnight open? We cannot trade right now. What a wild move. Break above New York midnight open on ES as well. Every single time when I would like to see like, it's break below this level, it's invalidates immediately. Oh, damn, that's crazy. Ow. And Q took minor equal lows. That's pretty much it. That's what happened. So you guys keep waiting. That's why it's Friday. I don't see a single reason to chase the price. Honestly, it doesn't look good, but at the same time, I would say gold also looks garbage. Oh my god. SPX looks... SPX looks kind of interesting right now. See how it's respected 25%? Guys, type 1 in the chat if it looks choppy, not only for me. 2 in the chat if it's like textbook setups right now. Dasha, are you blind? And like lots of twos immediately. Yeah, I'm blind, I know, but let's see. Oops. Where's my short setup? We tapped hourly for a while, we didn't touch sell side liquidity level on NQ yet. Okay, we'll see. For me personally, looking kind of confusing, not going to lie. We took sell side on NQ, right? But we didn't tap hourly for a value gap, so technically we have room to go lower. Yeah. Don't want to be a bad example, you know, like chasing the price. If I was you, I was aiming for 66.83 and 66.78. So basically, bottom of this fair value gap on 1 hour chart, and then minor liquidity level over here at 78. Oh my god. Short at 720. Oh, in Q, like you got nice trade. Fortunately, guys, I'm really green on my fund accounts, but I feel like it was hardest week for this year, like for me personally. I feel kind of, like lost. If I was market maker, I would drop to 66.35, but I'm not market maker, so sorry, guys. This is 50% of daily week. Gold inside previous weekly range. I have no bias on gold. I don't want to trade gold when I see like I have no idea where market is going. $66.35? Yeah. Completely balanced order for about upon both ES and NQ so far. Would like to see more to downside. Consolidation low, original consolidation low over here. I will stop drinking coffee next week to see, because I feel like my performance is just kind of delayed. Because I started drinking coffee every single day this week, and I like feel the difference. I remember someone asked me like 2 weeks ago why I don't drink coffee, because like my brain cannot like someone said my brain cannot work if I don't drink coffee, and I was like, maybe I need to try as well. But honestly, I feel like I have huge like delay. I will stop drinking coffee next week to see, because this week it's really hard for me. Let's see if it's really like something like related. If so, I will stop. No. I normally okay with BS per section. I started drinking coffee every single day from Monday to Friday, like this week. But I feel like it's not like about my performance, like overall okay, but feel like I see the difference. It's not because of like price action. Price action is still tradable, but it's just me, I guess. So far, yeah, so far, yes, but it means nothing. Because I don't see green numbers on my accounts. I mean, I see green numbers from Asia short, but not right now. It's all about this, you know? Sorry, guys. I can do better, you know. Really sorry about this. Give a link over here. Funny. I hope my husband not going to see this. No, like we saw 2 setups good today. I saw 2 good setups today. I didn't take them. It's annoying. Is any way to change the buttons on NinjaTrader? You mean like buy market, sell market, limit, and so on? I never tried, but I believe you can remove some. No, it's not because of you. It's because of me. I see setups. I don't take this. It's for my accounts, you know, not for your account. That's the issue. You know. But what I can say, I'm break-even on my vals, which is okay. But I made good money on Funded. I'm okay with losing trades, guys. Like, seriously, I'm perfectly fine with losing. I'm not okay not to take setups. Like today. That's what I don't like, but overall, okay. Like, happy with performance on Funded. Okay, guys, last time I'm going to send you giveaway link. Not bad price action, right? Overall good. That's what I'm trying to say. Tradable. And if it continues dropping to 66.69. Yeah, you have, guys, 10 more minutes to enter giveaway, but we will run giveaway like in 5 minutes, okay? Send link in the chat. Yeah, also hit the like, please. By the way, guys, I'm going to stream all day today, so I'm not going to finish like in straight off stream. I'm going to stream all day today. So after this stream at 11:30, I will stream on NinjaTrader Live. Let me send you a link so you can open another tab, Google tab. Here's where I'm going to stream like from 11:30 to 1 p.m. and then I'm going to stream on Tradify. NinjaTrader. So guys, save this link. I'm going to jump at 11:30 to this stream and I'm going to stay there for 90 minutes. And right after this stream, I will go on Tradify TV. But I'm not going to be alone there. It's not going to be solo. Busy day. It's okay. It's Friday. Also, we got like new schedule for hockey. So starting this week, now we have hockey on Tuesday and Friday. Also Saturday. So today I need to go to ice rink again. And tomorrow, I mean, no complaints, but... but... It's a good price action. I agree with you. Like, no complaints. Like, really, not bad price action. Gold set. Let's just break the floor. Drop to previous weekly low, maybe. That's wild as well. Good price action. Good. And Q going to weekly. I believe you're going to 66.35. I'm like forward testing as well. This is what I like disappointed. Da, da, da. Since we were below consolidation, low minor retracement, guys, does it look wild to drop to 66.35? I really would like to see 30 points lower. So maybe minor retracement back to this consolidation and lower. I would like to see weekly open retest on NQ. I would like to see London low taken as well. Yeah, you know, like, I think like we just need to trade without, like, don't wait for retracement, just start with a smaller contract and just add to our position if we're going to get retracement. Let's say our, like, risk $300, we can start like with, like, 200, for example, $200 risk, and if it's going to retrace, we can just add to our position. Maybe we're going to do this, right? Because I believe I have cheap mindset. Like, I really want to get, like, cheaper price. That's annoying. Previous week low. I guess it's actually, it's... You want to see 24K? If it's going to drop hard, it will drop to 65.82, I believe. It really wants to drop, but I want to see 66.35. Yeah, we'll do giveaway soon, guys. Like 2 more minutes. In 5 minutes, yes. Yeah, I guess that's what I need to do, guys. I need to start practicing to add to my position. Like, if, like, I always wait for the retracement, we always have, like, not always, but 99% of the time we have right trade idea. For some reason, we're waiting for the retracement. I guess we can just start with small size and just add to our position, which will be smart to do. Right? Let's use 60, 66, 60. Nice rounded number. Minor 2-minute OB. Check oil. Yeah, of course. We need to get our, for example, if it's going to go down to this liquidity level, it will be first stage of market maker sell model. We need to get our receive 5-minute OB. So guys, you have a couple of minutes to enter giveaway. Yeah, maybe it's right. Maybe, like, I'm too hard on myself. Sometimes I am. Sometimes, yes. I know, guys, if it's only me, but sometimes I feel like, come on, Dasha, you could do better. And I'm just trying to say, like, Dasha, what's wrong with you? You can do better. Like, don't be scared. Like, something like this. I hate this as well. 2 minutes, yes, 2 minutes, guys. 2 minutes left to enter giveaway. Don't want to start early simply because we have 2 more minutes. My day wasn't bad. Could be better, but wasn't bad. Guys, in 10 minutes I'm going to switch on NinjaTrader Live. I will continue trading until 4 p.m. today. Guys, ready? It's time! It's time! Let's pick first one. No. Are you in the chat? Seems like a Russian-speaking person. Yay! Congratulations, good job. See? Interesting last name. Okay. Congratulations, you won account. Lucid 50k flex account. 50k best option as well as flex best option. We have another Russian-speaking person. Second winner, do you speak Russian as well? If so, it will be funny. Oh, interesting, because you have... It's interesting. Congratulations, guys. It was fast. I'm going to send you accounts fast as well. But please don't blow this today. Leave this for Monday. Don't make stupid mistakes. And maybe later today we'll do some giveaways as well. So I'm going to send you link again. I'm going to stream on NinjaTrader Live now, right after the stream. now. Looking for lower, still would like to see 50% of daily wick at 66.25. We'll try to scalp this short on NinjaTrader Live if it's going to retrace to this area again. Like expansion, at retracement, expansion, right? Looking for another move lower. See you guys in just 10 minutes again on NinjaTrader Live. Don't make stupid mistakes. Once again, Epic sale ends tonight, 85% off. If you want to support the channel, you can use code LUMI. I appreciate this, guys. See you at NinjaTrader Live in 10 minutes. We will continue trading until 1 p.m. there. And after NinjaTrader Live, I will switch on another stream on Tradify TV and we will trade until the end. Love you guys. See you soon.
Welcome to Funded.now, the ultimate hub for futures prop traders. On Funded.now, you can compare prop firms side by side, account to account, firm to firm, with powerful filters that help you find the exact account that fits your strategy. Trade micros? Hate consistency rules? Want EOD drawdown? Just set the filters and find your perfect match in seconds. You can also use built-in tools like the consistency rule calculator, lot size calculator, and drawdown simulator to plan before you risk real capital. Check which prop firms are available in your country, track your trading expenses, and stay updated with the economic calendar. All in one place. Stop guessing. Start choosing smart. Go to Funded.now and find the prop firm that fits you.